Hello friends, today we're going to draw Steven Universe. Let's get started. First, let's draw his right eye and the eyebrow. Add a simple nose and the other eye. And draw the other eyebrow. Now let's draw his mouth, which is a slightly curved line, and his tongue sticking out. His face looks funny. Add a pupil. Now let's draw a curve for his head. Let's add another curve for his chubby face. Let's move on to his right ear. Now let's add 5 curves for his hair. His hair looks like petals. Now let's draw his right arm. Now comes the difficult part. I found drawing the hand most difficult. What about you? You can pause the video if you need more time.
Sometimes I end up with more fingers than he actually had.
Let's move on to his body. He has a big tummy. Let's add his left arm.
Oh, did she just forget to draw the thumb?
Make sure you count the numbers of fingers when you're drawing.
One, two, 3, 4, 5. She made it right this time. Yeah! The other thumb, let's add it back.
Let's draw his clothes.
Hey, look. His tummy looks like Daddy Pig.
Well, you see, having a big tummy is just my way of carrying around extra doses of laughter.
Move on to his rest of the body. Let's draw his pants.
Did she forget something again?
Add 4 straight lines for his legs. Now let's draw his foot and sandals. There is a lot of details.
Let's hope she can get the toes right this time.
Repeat the same for the other foot.
Oh no, she missed one toe again.
Now we've done drawing Steven Universe. Let's color it in. You can use whatever color you like. Mom forgot to add his belly button. Let's add it back. Hooray! We're done! We hope you had fun. See you next time. Bye.